Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, thank you so much for returning back to my channel. You guys are loving the Halloween series, and I am loving to create them for you. So today, I'm going to start making these adorable cat bat popcorn seed mason jar embellishments. I have maybe about 6 more to do, and I wanted to show you guys how I created these. I thought these were really cute, super duper adorable, very unique, very different. I loved it. I think it turned out awesome. Now, we also, in another video, maybe about a year or maybe 2 years ago, we made monster in a mason jar embellishments, and we use these same tags for that video. So today we're going to create these adorable bat cats. Okay, super duper easy. So let me show you really quickly how I created these. So again, these the mason jar tag that I got from Michaels. If you guys don't have these mason jar tags, don't worry about it. Just make yourself a template and cut out some mason jar tags. That's all. Now, what I did with my mason jar tag is I distressed it a little bit using the orange distress ink right here. This one right here. By the way, I love these inks. I might have to get like the regular size on these inks because I love them. So I'm going to use, I used the orange one, and I just kind of just stretched the edges a little bit, and I went a little bit inside the mason jar, okay? So you might need a day or two to complete this project, because when we add the popcorn seeds to the mason jar, you need it to let it dry for about a day, just to make sure that the popcorn seeds are all secured and they're not going to fall out anywhere. The glue that I'm using is this one right here, and what I did was I basically just did step by step. Okay, I started doing the bottom. I used a nice layer. Okay, I don't know if I can bring you closer. I don't think I can. And you see that little layer of glue? I got my popcorn seeds and I very carefully just placed them down. Okay, I didn't place them down in any specific order or way, but I just placed them down so I can cover that nice layer of glue that I added to the mason jar. Okay, I have one more in here that I can add. And then I squished it down with my finger, and that's what you are going to get. Okay, I'm gonna do another little layer on top of this. Okay, and I'm gonna add more of this popcorn seed. And maybe one more here. Okay, and there you have it. See that? Squish it down really nicely, and that looks actually pretty good. I might need to do another layer. I'm not sure. What we're gonna do is, before I do another layer, let's figure it out, right? So the next thing that we're gonna do is, I have these tiny cupcake liners that I bought at, I want to say I bought these at Home Goods a long time ago. They are literally, tiny. So I'm going to create a collar for my cat bat. So I'm going to cut the center of the mini cupcake liner, open it and cut the sides, and then I'm going to layer them one on top of each other, okay, just like that. And that's going to create this cute, adorable little collar. Okay, and there you have it. Now we're going to eyeball this, okay, and we're going to measure it against our little mason jar to see, okay, where we need to cut, because this is too long. It's too long. So I think basically I'm going to cut it roughly around here, and then I'm going to come on this and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to cut this around here. Okay, take your little paper cupcake liner and start trimming that down where you have your original little line, and that's going to give you this really fun, adorable little collar that you're going to place right by the mason jar cover, just right in there. See that? So let's add some hot glue to the back of the collar. Let's squeeze this collar back in here. And now you get to see whether or not you need another layer of these popcorn seeds, or if you want to leave them the way that it is. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another layer, because I still have a nice little space over here that I can probably add a few more. So I'm going to add more glue, okay, and I'm going to add another layer of this popcorn seed. Okay, so let's add the popcorn seeds to that little layer that we just made. And that's going to be a little bit more of a fuller look to the mason jar. And it's going to look more full and complete. As you can see there, you can see that. See that? How that looks much better and more full. Okay. I have to be very careful because obviously this is not dry, but I want to show you guys how to create it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add these adorable, super cute little cats to the mason jar. The sticker that I'm using are these stickers that I got at Dollar General, and you have these adorable cats and some pumpkins. You got some really cute stars. So I'm using only the cats because we're making a cat bat embellishment. And so here's my little cat. I'm going to add my cat over this side right here. I'm going to add some dimensions in the back of my cat because I want my cat to be a little bit lifted. So let's add dimension. And then we're going to add some hot glue to the dimension so that we can glue down the cat. And we're going to add the cat right over this area right here. Okay, just like so. Just hold it for a few seconds so it can adhere. And you should get something like this. How adorable is that? See that? So what we're going to do is we're going to create this cat into a bat. So it's going to be a cat bat, right? So what I have here are these adorable little felt bat stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to add these adorable bats to the back of our cat, giving the illusion that the cat has bat wings, okay? So let's add some hot glue to the center of the bat. And let's add our little cat, okay, right over it. And basically we're done. And there you have it. And that is how you create this adorable embellishment. Now, I don't have anything that says Happy Halloween, but I do have these, let me see if I can find them. You can use the Dollar Tree glitter that says Boo if you want. I had tons of these left over from Hobby Lobby that I bought about 2 years ago, and I still have a lot of these left over. So I'm going to add the word Boo to my embellishment, and that's going to give it that finished look. Okay, so I want to add some dimensions, okay, to my Boo sign. So let's add some dimensions. Literally, I think you can just cut these in half and they will be long enough. Yes. Okay, let's cut this out a little bit. Let's add this to the back of the Boo sign. And that's going to give it some nice lift when we add this right there. Okay, let's do the same for the other ones. And now we're going to add some hot glue to the sign and we're done. These turned out so cute. You guys hear the crickets? Backyard. Okay, let's add some hot glue and let's add our little sign to our embellishment and we are done. So we're going to tuck this in right here and we're going to add Boo right there. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this embellishment is adorable. I have to create a few more because I'm going to be mailing out some of these embellishments to some of my friends. And so I need to create about 6, maybe 8 more of these. But I'll do that off camera, obviously. Okay, and then we got one more to go. And there you have it. This is such an adorable embellishment. Honestly, I love it. I think this might be like my favorite. I know. I say that about all my embellishments and all my videos. I know. I do. I say it. I know. I'm guilty. I'm guilty of it. But I don't know. It's just so cute. It's such a cute embellishment. It just really makes me smile when I see this embellishment. And I just love it. So, okay. So here you have it. This is exactly what you're going to get when you create these adorable cat bat popcorn seeds mason jar embellishments. That's like a woo. That's hard to say. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is what I actually created earlier today. I just love these embellishments. I think they turned out absolutely adorable. And you can add these to a goodie bag. You can add these to a Happy Mail, or you can add them as a tag. I mean, a lot of things. You can do a lot of things with these tags or with these embellishments, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make this tutorial. I hope that this got you inspired to create your own little bat cat embellishment. If you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see how it turned out. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Thank you so much for your comments, and thank you so much for your likes. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, and I love you all. Have a fantastic, safe weekend. By the way, happy Labor Day, my loves. All right, bye.